Are you tired of staring at the screen for hours trying to catch the perfect setup on Deriv, only to let emotions ruin your trades? What if you could put your trading on autopilot, using a system that executes your exact strategies flawlessly every single time? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you exactly how to do that. I have found an incredible automated trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders, and in this video, I am putting it to the ultimate test. It is called PivotCore.net, and by the end of this video, you are going to see exactly why it needs to be part of your daily trading toolkit. Let us talk about PivotCore.net. If you trade on Deriv, you already know that speed and precision are everything. Manual trading leaves room for hesitation, delay, and human error. PivotCore is an auto trading platform that completely eliminates those problems. It connects directly with your Deriv account, allowing you to automate your favorite strategies without needing to be a software developer or a coding genius. You simply set your rules and the platform does the heavy lifting for you. It runs smoothly, analyzing the market ticks and executing trades with absolute pinpoint accuracy. For today's video, I wanted to show you exactly how powerful this platform can be, so I set up a specific live challenge. We are using the Digit Differs strategy. As many of you know, Digit Differs is a highly popular strategy on Deriv because it offers a very high probability of winning. The key to making Digit Differs profitable is consistency and avoiding a bad string of losses. That's exactly where automation shines. My plan for this session was simple but ambitious. I programmed PivotCore to place exactly 10 trades, and the goal was to secure 9 wins out of those 10. That's a 90% win rate, completely hands-free. As you can see on the screen right now, the bot is running the setup. Look at how fast it analyzes the last digit and enters the market. There's no second guessing. It waits for the exact conditions we specified and pulls the trigger immediately. The first trade comes in, a win. The second trade executes just moments after the conditions are met again, another win. Watching this platform work is honestly amazing because you realize you do not have to sit here stressing over every single tick. It just handles the risk management and the trade execution exactly as programmed. We hit our first few trades perfectly. Then we take a single loss, but notice what happens next. The system doesn't panic, it doesn't revenge trade like a human would. It just calmly waits for the next valid setup, executes, and brings in the remaining wins. Exactly as planned, the session closes out with 10 trades placed and 9 successful wins in the bag. Think about how much time and stress a setup like this saves you. You can literally load up your safest strategies, set your daily profit targets, and let the system work while you focus on other things. Whether you like to trade even-odd, over-under, or like I just showed you, Digit Differs, PivotCore.net gives you the tools to automate it effortlessly. It's fast, reliable, and incredibly user-friendly, even if you've never used an automated trading bot before. If you're serious about taking your Deriv trading to the next level and want to stop relying on manual execution, you need to try this out for yourself right now. Head over to PivotCore.net and see what it can do for your trading. I've put the direct link to the site along with all the other resources you need right down in the video description below. Make sure you click that link to get started easily. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram community where we discuss these setups, share winning strategies, and help each other grow. Hit that like button if you found this video valuable, subscribe to the channel for more automated trading secrets, and let me know in the comments which strategy you want me to test on PivotCore next. See you in the next video.